Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, and today I'm here to share a big subscription box. My IPSY Icon Box came in the mail today, so that's what I'm going to share. I'd love it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe and support my channel. That would be great. And let's get to it, okay? Whoops, here we go. There it is. There she is, and she's very heavy. I did get a lot of add-ons this time, but I'm going to save those and probably do those with my glam bag, since my glam bag is not as many products. So let's see what's in the box. Open it up here. There we go. Just a paper. Let's get a sneak peek inside here. Okay. All right. So the first thing are I think the power picks. Well, they pick 5 for you and then you pick 3. So I'm going to do the ones they pick first, and then when I get to the ones that I pick, I'm going to show you on the screen what my choices were and why I picked what I picked. The first thing on here is by Amika Hair, which is one of my favorite hair products. I have a few, but this is one of them. It's a full size, 200 milliliters, and it's valued at $30. And this is, what it does is strong bonds are hard to break, and that's exactly why this repairing hair treatment will be your new bestie. It helps restore weak, damaged bonds in as little as 60 seconds. And the nutrient-rich formula, full of omega fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, help to fortify and replenish thirsty brands. So, kind of excited about it. You use this after you shampoo. You work the treatment through your hair from root to tip and leave on for about 60 seconds. So, yay! I'm excited to try this. My hair needs help all the time. So, anyway, that's that. The next thing we're getting to is, let's see, I was kind of excited about this one. This is from Huda Beauty, and it's, let's see, it is a mascara, and it's a dual end mascara. Okay, it is a $31 value. It is full size. And it's a dual-ended mascara. One is for volume and the other is for lengthening. So, okay. Ooh, it's kind of cool looking. It's a really fun thing here. Okay, so there's one side. It's curled. I'm assuming this is the length one, curl and length. And then the other side is, this one's what does this one say? Okay, this one's the volume. So, again, that's what the curl looks like. Okay, so I'm excited about this product. Yay. All right, 2-in-1, and I always use 2 mascaras anyway, so that just is all the better for me to have it in one. We'll try it. The next thing is from Wander Beauty, and it is a eyeliner, and there's 2 in the package. It's double-sided. And it is, there's a brown one and a black one, valued at $32. Everything proof is what they call them, so I'm sure that means waterproof. There's the two colors right there. And their highly pigmented cream formula is infused with olive and jojoba oils, so you'll never need to stress about pulling, tugging, or skipping along your water or lash lines. I like that. I like it. I like anything from Wander Beauty. And the next thing is from Il Maquillage, and it is a lip product. I do like lip products. I would have rather had the eyeshadow palette that they offered. I saw many people get, but that's okay. So, such a pretty container. I mean, honestly, this right here feels very rich, it's just heavy. It's beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what the color is about. Let's see here. It's valued at $27, and Empower Play is the color. I don't know if everyone who got this got the same color, but it looks like kind of a neutral. It's a little brown for me, but I probably would wear it. So there's that. Okay, so the next item we got here is this is a non-gender specific. It's a serum, and I'm kind of excited about it. This right here is valued at $125. Can you believe that? Very heavy duty, pretty bottle. There's that. So, and let's see what it fits. It was maybe a little bit sealed, I don't know. So it's just a dropper formula. It's a new brand I haven't heard of. Non-gender specific is what it's called. And it just says they create products that are designed to simplify beauty regimens while also cutting down on consumer waste. With zero gender boundaries and a less is more approach, this boundary pushing brand is one that all humans will love. Maybe I'll give this to my husband to use too. Okay, so let's move to the next item. And I think, are we to the items that I picked? I think we are. Okay, the first item I picked, because it's me and I love getting eyeshadow palettes. So, and I actually got a really cool one in the add-ons, but this is That's My Jam. And it's a is it Too Faced? Yeah, it's a Too Faced product. And again, it's in like a metal case. It's kind of quality. I mean, you can tell it's got some quality. I like the way the case opens and closes. Look at that. So, there's our shades. Okay. And so I'm excited to try this. This is really nice. This is a $29 value, full size. It's inspired by berries, which berry is my color scheme. I love berry colors, eyeshadows. It smells yummy, like freshly picked blueberries. The 8 exclusive, richly pigmented shades with a silky smooth formula come together in this fun palette to give you endless inspiration for fun eye looks. Okay, gotta smell it. Yeah, I can smell it a little bit. I can get that. I'm gonna dig in here. There's this raspberry color that's really intriguing me. Right there. And let's go for one of the purple colors. This is also a shimmer. right next to it. I'm gonna put this purple over it. Okay, this kind of, look at that. This kind of has iridescence to it. This one's just a lighter clear. I'm not seeing that it's real pigmented, but it's not picking up here. That one is. Some of them do. These are fun. Okay, I'm excited. So there's that. I'm glad I picked that. You can see what my choices were here. But if there's an eyeshadow palette, usually that's the one I'm gonna pick. Okay, so next we have something else that I picked, and I picked this. I really like when people get, you know, the early boxes to show, you know, the influencers that get boxes to show what the choices are and stuff, because I probably would have never picked this without having seen it, but I'm excited about it. And this is, look at that, I got my eyeshadow all over it. This is Aloe. It's called Aloe Magnesium Reset Spray, and it is a $48 value. It says body spray. Craving some relaxation, this spray is packed with magnesium, amica, valerian, and soothing aromatherapy oils. So it's the perfect way to help you reset your mind and body. Plus it's powered by nature, nature's most patient botanicals and antioxidant-rich amla superberries, which promote yummy z's and overall calming vibes. So sounds like something that'd be good to put on before bed. Magnesium is really good for you. I've been told, I have a doctor who tells me I need to use magnesium or take baths with magnesium. I try to take it in some form of vitamin too. So anyway, that's that. Let me see what, it's a spray, so, okay. Oh. Kind of get a coconutty smell. So anyway, nice glass bottle, nice product. Like I said, $48 value. I would probably never purchase that on my own. So that's exciting. The last thing I picked is, let's see. This was an item I picked. It's Earth Harbor, and I happen to already have this product, but I love, love, love it. And so I just got this as a backup. But this is the regenerative neck cream, and it's valued also at $48. This bouncy oil-free gel cream helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles, fight hyperpigmentation, and keep dryness and dullness at bay. So it says each morning and night, gently massage cream onto your skin from your chin to your chest. And whoops, accidentally lifted that up. I didn't really want to open it, but now that it's open, I guess I can kind of show you what the cream looks like. Wasn't going to open it till I was ready to use it, but so it's just, it smells really fresh and clean. It feels great going on. Like I said, I put it on my neck and my chin and my chest, and anyway, so that's nice. I have lost some weight, and I've got a lot of saggy skin right now, so I even think I've noticed a little bit of, have noticed an improvement with using that. So anyway, there's that. So that was my, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mascara, 6 is the lip let's see, 7 is this oil, or actually serum, and 8 is the Amika hair. So that's my 8 products, but I got a beauty boost and I'm really excited about this because I'm almost out of the one I'm using, and this is something that I would never afford on my own. There's no way, but I love LMS products and I've been getting a lot of them, so I like that. My beauty boost is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and the value of this is $138. So there's that. LMS. Not sure I want to lift this off yet because I'm still using the one I have, but I love the way this feels, and like I said, I could never afford the 138. This is one of the reasons why I get beauty boxes, because I get really quality products and things that I could never afford to buy on their own, but you can afford it in a box. I think this box is like $58 without the beauty boost, and then you add another $15 for the beauty boost. So, I mean, even with that though, so 50 for less than $75, you're getting just one product for $138 here. They're all expensive products. So I'm really excited. I'm happy with this box. What do you guys think of the box? Do you like it? And I'm gonna wait and share the other things I got again in my glam bag, which I believe is coming tomorrow. So that video should be up sometime early next week, probably. I have some other ones going up this week. I am getting ready to do a giveaway. I've said that, but my feet are dragging a little bit because I'm not sure how the best way to do a giveaway on YouTube is. I've never done one on YouTube, so I'm trying to figure that out, and I'm trying to put together some good products. I think I have some fun things already. Hopefully that'll be up this weekend, the giveaway. So let me know what you think. Did you like my icon box? I'm pretty happy with it. The value is definitely there. I didn't see a full value for the box. Usually they give that to you, but it's probably on, I'll probably be posting it on as in a picture here or something. So that's it for today for this one, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking around with me. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, support my channel. I'm just, you know, getting going this year, and I'm loving it, so I would love to grow more, and we will see you guys in the next one. All right, hey, we'll see ya. Bye bye.